In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your iPad 11A16 is stuck on charging screen. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just grab the charging cable and the adapter of your iPad and check if they're damaged or not. Now if either the charging cable or the adapter is damaged, just replace it. Now after you've made sure that the charger is working properly of your iPad, then just grab your iPad and check the charging port of your iPad. Now, if you find any dust or debris stuck in the charging port, just clean it using a soft brush. Now, after you've done that, then just grab the charging cable of your iPad, then plug in one end of the charging cable to your laptop, and plug in the other end of the charging cable to your iPad. Now, after you've done that, now just leave your iPad plugged into charge for a couple of hours. Ideally, leave your iPad plugged into charge for 2 to 3 hours, and after that, just grab your iPad and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button of your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the restart is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now, if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just unplug your iPad from charge and just grab your iPad. Now from here, just warm up the battery of your iPad. Now to do that, just grab your hair dryer and set it on the lowest heat. Now just warm up the battery of your iPad for 1 to 2 minutes using your hair dryer. Then just plug in your iPad into charge for a couple of hours. Then just perform a force restart as I have mentioned earlier, and hopefully this will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.